Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can show notification when a new data is created or inserted inside any of the collection of Cloud Firestore database. Basically, we will show the notification when a new data is inserted inside any of the collection. This will be helpful when you are creating a project in which you want to show the notification when you added something or when you inserted something. For example, in the e-commerce app, when you added a new product in the catalog, you want to show the notification that a new product is added. So these things are useful when you want to show the notification when a new data is inserted inside any collection. So moving on to the video, first we will see how we can achieve this. Okay, so first we will see how we use Cloud Firestore database. So inside a Cloud Firestore database, first we insert a document. Then we will fetch that data and show it inside a user device. So to do this, we use two different methods. First is Future Builder and second is Stream Builder. In Future Builder, real-time data fetching is not possible. We are not getting any response when a new document is created inside any of the collection, or the data is updated inside a collection, or any update inside a Firestore database is done. We will not getting any response. There is no live response possible inside a Future Builder. And second is Stream Builder. Stream Builders provide us the real-time data fetching. We will get a response when a new data is inserted or new data is updated or any changes inside the data is done. We will get a direct response from the Cloud Firestore database. So basically our question is, we need to show the notification when a new data is inserted inside Cloud Firestore. So what would be the solution? So we need a real-time connection to the database so that we will get a real-time response when a new data is inserted. A real-time connection would help us to get the newly inserted document, which we will use to show the notification. So when a new document is inserted inside the collection, we will get the live response of that document, and then we will fetch the data from that document and which we will use to show the notification. So what would be the solution? Stream subscription is the solution. We will use stream subscription method in order to subscribe and get the real-time data from the Cloud Firestore database. So basically, stream subscription is the method which is used by Stream Builder in order to get the real-time access to the database. First, you need to install the Flutter local notification plugin. We will use that notification plugin to show the notification inside the Flutter app. I have already made a video on this plugin. You can watch that video from description. So let's move on to the coding part, what we will do. So first we will create a snapshot of the collection in which we want to get the real-time access. Using the snapshot, we will create a notification stream or stream of that collection. And then we will subscribe to that stream, and using that stream, first we will check whether the data is empty or not. If it is empty, we will not going to show the notification. Otherwise, we will show the notification. So this would be the full procedure to show the notification in a Flutter when a new data is inserted inside any of the collection. So let's move into the coding part of the video. So first of all, we will create a stream for the notification collection. So basically we are listening to the notification collection in our app. So we will subscribe or we will create a stream to the notification collection. You can create any collection you want, any sub collection you want. It totally depends upon you. So let's create a stream for the collection called notification. So it should be like firebase firestore dot instance. Then I will call for the collection that I want to subscribe or create a stream of. So I will type a name of a collection here, and then I will create a stream using snapshot method. This snapshot method will return the stream query snapshot. Now what I will do, I will listen to that notification stream using the listen method. So, or subscribe to the notification stream. So now it will create a stream subscription to that particular notification, that is notification stream. Now whenever new data is updated inside this collection, that is notification, we will get a response inside this function, or it will come inside the event variable. So we will use this event variable to check whether the document is present or it is empty. If the document is not present, we will not going to show notification, otherwise we are going to show the notification. So I will use if, then I will use this event to get the list of document inserted inside the notification collection. Now I will check whether the documents are empty or the list is empty. If it is empty, then we will simply return. We are not going to do anything. Otherwise, I will like to show the notification. So I have already created the video how to show notification using Flutter local notification. You can watch that video. So now this show notification that I have created here asking for the query document snapshot. So I will pass the query document snapshot from the event variable that we are getting right now. So I will use the first to get the first document from the list of the docs, from the list of the query document snapshot. So basically we are showing the notification for the one document only. If you want to show the bulk notification that you are inserting around 10 documents and you want to show that 10 notification one by one, then you can use the loop and call the show notification again and again. So I am showing the notification for only one document because I will insert only one document, because the logic says that we should only show the notification when a particular document is added, not the bulk document is added. For example, if you are inserting 100 documents, 100 product, and then you want to show the 100 notification, the user will receive all 100 notification at the same time. This will get a messy for him. So that's why you make sure that you are showing the notification one by one. So now what I will do, so I passed this first. So this first consists of a query document snapshot that we are the required for. Here it is, query document snapshot. Now inside this I accessed the, so now inside this in the Flutter local notification plugin, I called the show function, and then the show function will ask me for the title of the notification. So I got the title from that particular document that we are getting from here, that is event. I query the title field from that particular document, and again the description or the subtitle for our notification or the body of notification. So this will show the notification for us. So let's check whether it is working or not. I will create a notification collection and I will click on next and open the, and now I will create the auto ID and provide the title, and the title should be test notification, and the description I will provide this is test notification. Okay, so when I click on save, it will show the notification in the right side of my right side of the window, that is in my app. That is in my app. So let's save and see. So here I received the notification, that is, here it is, test notification. This is the test notification. So in this way you can show the notification when a new document is added inside the firebase collection. So one thing you need to notice that when I close the app, you will not going to get any notification, because we are subscribing this collection in a foreground mode, not in the background mode. So that's why it will only show the notification when the user is using it. So whenever you want to show the notification, then the user need to have app running. So this is not a cool thing, because it may happen that your app is not running currently and you want to show the notification. So the user will receive the notification whenever they are using the app. So we need to use this method in the background services of our application. So in the next video we will see how we can make this go background, or whenever our app is closed, then we will show the show the notification. Then we will show the notification. So please make sure that you subscribe to this channel to receive that particular update, and thanks for watching.